Well, hello and welcome to what amounts to football heaven. It doesn't get a whole lot better than this. The conditions are utopian. The sky is blue and the players are with us for a football match so widely and keenly anticipated. Truly, this is pristine, and the level of expectation and excitement is reflected. Hurls himself back! It's in!
And some of the best managers I played for insisted on starting games as you need to go on. And we've just seen a very important opening goal from an extremely talented individual who looks primed for more. He really does look at it.
Spectacular header. He really flung himself at that.
He had a choice of trying to volley that or get his head to it, and I'm pleased to say he took the right option. That's a great goal.
Paris Saint-Germain have an early lead. Good start. Under. Out for a throw. Triol. Versi. Cafu. Scholes. Versi. Lampard. Ronaldinho. Paris Saint-Germain scored early, of course, and it's 1-0. Triol. Scholes. Lampard. The ball needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance. Now a chance to break. Tufan. He's got options out wide. Chalanolu could try cutting inside here. And through to the goalkeeper. Lampard. Paris Saint-Germain are very much in charge here, dominating possession and a goal to the good. Scholes. And here's Maradona. It's a decent, massive leap! And he's there to make a great save.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
Tufan drives it forward. Well read, he sorted that out. Pirlo. Now it's Ronaldinho. Now it's Nedved. Pirlo. Pirlo. And it's Scholes. Maradona looking to run onto it. And the shot! No mistake! A two-goal cushion, and it's looking safe! And reserves to shoot, and he duly delivered.
And that's what the game is all about. Find space and finish, but we have to credit the passer to kick him out.
Paris Saint-Germain have a couple of goals without reply. It's 2-0.
Well, at 1-0 this contest was still nicely poised, but now that it's gone to 2, mindsets are affected a lot more. Winning belief one way and that losing feeling the other.
The referee's had a look, and he's blown his whistle for half-time. So, views on the first half?
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position, so why dither from here when they can repeat their first half success with another show of strength?
Paris Saint-Germain in control at half-time, 2-0. We're promptly into the second 45 minutes. More than happy to take the muscular approach. Cafu tries to dink it in. And that's been levered clear. Lampard. Scholes. Now it's Maradona. What an adventurous run from a defender. Shot at goal! It didn't come off, but an audacious effort.
Ronaldinho really improvised cleverly there. His quick thinking almost paid off in real style.
Under. Stages of the second half, and still 2 between them. Hoists it forward. Tries to get it forward quickly. Cafu has created 1 goal already. And help's available out wide. Just brushed off the ball there. Yokushlu. Under. Battles to win it back. Under has it in a wide position, so what next? Up to meet it! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
And the referee has brought play back and shown him a yellow card. And it's been taken short. Regardless of the outcome, it is good to see someone running at the defence like that. And he's shown him a clean pair of heels. Big chance! Yes! And the lead is 3! It is surely done! Time and space aplenty, he was never going to miss.
Well, he made it obvious as to where the pass should be played, Peter, and it made the finish look that bit easier.